What is one mistake that we see so commonly when folks are drafting their will or having it drafted? Hey, my name is Ron Payne, and I'm the CEO and managing partner here at Payne Law in Kernersville, North Carolina, where we focus on estate planning, probate, business advising, real estate transactions, and family law. So I wanted to talk to you about the number one mistake we see so commonly, especially when folks draft their own will using Rocket Lawyer, LegalZoom, etc. And the biggest thing we see is that folks will only name one executor. You need to name more than one executor. Because what happens is, for example, a lot of times folks will name their spouse or their partner. Well, who do you go on vacation with? Your spouse or your partner? If you name only your spouse as your executor, and then you happen to be in the car together and end up in a car crash, then even if one of you survives, you're not going to be able to be the executor for the other person because you're going to be getting medical care as well. Or you're going to be the power of attorney, but you can't do it because you're both in the hospital. And so it's so important to not only name that primary person as your executor, but also to name a backup person. Here at Payne Law, we usually recommend at least 2 backups. So you would have, for example, husband and wife would name the spouse as the executor or the power of attorney in the document, and then you would name maybe your oldest child if you've got some adult children. You would name one of them as a backup executor, and then you might name a sibling, an aunt or an uncle of your children in this case, as a backup executor to that person, or second backup power of attorney, etc. So be sure that your estate planning documents have not only one executor or power of attorney named, or trustee if you have a trust. Make sure there's at least 2 or more named, because if something happens to the one person, then you don't have anybody, and then we have to have the clerk of court appoint them. And while they're happy to do that for you, it's much better, it's much more efficient, and you can rest easy knowing your wishes will be carried out exactly as you intended if it's the person you named. Hope this has been helpful. Like and subscribe, follow us on YouTube, as well as you can give us a call if you'd like to set up a free estate planning or probate consultation at 336-281-6928. That's 336-281-6928. Or just give us a visit on the web at applepaynelaw.com. Thanks. Have a great day.